What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius with Exclusive, back at it with another one, man. And today I'm excited about this one, man. I'm gonna go get some motorcycle work done, some bike work. I'm excited, man. It's something I've been wanting to get done for a long time, and it's just time to do it, man. I'm about to be 30 soon. Why keep waiting, man? Just do it. Like Nike said, just do it. So let's get to the video. See y'all in a second. What's up, guys? We in Project F150, headed to the shop, about to get the bike work. I know you're like, what is he talking about? You'll see in a second, man. You'll see. I'm excited, man. It's a nice day. I got the windows down, so I'm not gonna record. I got the windows down. I like to have my music loud, so I'm not gonna record today while I'm driving. I'm gonna just enjoy it, man, and just relax. All right. So, like I said, though, you'll see in a sec. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so we made it to the area. The guy's a little busy right now, so I'm just taking a stroll by the beach. I'm at Fort Lauderdale Beach right now. So it's a weekday, so it's actually kind of dead out here, which is nice. I've always come here on the weekend, so it's the first time I'm here on what is today, Thursday? And it's nice, man. I found some parking and everything. Like it's a good day, so I'm excited, man. I want to show you guys what it is, but I don't want to give it up. So you'll see it when he's ready. He's going to call me when he's ready. We're going to get to it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this beach. I hope you guys are enjoying the day as much as I'm enjoying it. And I look forward to showing you what's coming up. So here we are, guys, at Stefano's Tattoo Studio. It's Fort Lauderdale Beach. It's a nice shop so far, man. I'm definitely excited. I'm gonna show you guys what I got coming up. Nothing too big, just something simple, nice and easy. But it's been something I wanted for a while, so I look forward to sharing this with you guys.
Next level.
Still here. Hasn't actually been that long. It's only been a few minutes, man. It's a simple tattoo, like I said, something quick. But we're just gonna take a quick 5-minute break. Go get some water, rest up for a second. My arm is kind of going numb, and get back to it. Let's go. 2 hours is good. It's not 2 hours is a good deal, you know?
No, I'm just trying to justify me.
I finally got me a motorcycle tat, man. 1 down, 5 up, on the heartbeat with the bike in it. I've been wanting something similar to this, but all I had was the bike with the heartbeat, and finally I kind of thought about this 1 down, 5 up situation. So let me know what you guys think. I'm excited about it. It's my first tattoo below the elbow. I feel like that commercial, do you not work? But I'll wear a long sleeve if I ever need to cover it up. But let me know what you guys think. I like it. Like I said, I might get some details done to the bike, but as of right now, I'm cool with it, man. I definitely like it. It's exactly what I wanted. Shout outs to Akira at Stefano's Tattoo Studios over here at Fort Lauderdale Beach. Great atmosphere, man. Everybody was cool, man. I laughed with everybody, made jokes with everybody, even the other people getting tattoos, man. It was a great atmosphere. Probably one of the best tattoo atmospheres I've ever been in. Just real cool, real laid back, and I really enjoyed it. So that's the piece, man. That's the motorcycle piece that I was talking about, that I was telling you guys. It has nothing to do with Project Gsxr. I mean, this is the outline of Project Gsxr. Project Gsxr will be back though. I'm working on her right now. I got an update video coming on where I'm at with that project. Like I said, it was at the tuner and there's some issues, so you'll see that coming up. I'm gonna drop a video real soon on that, but just wanted to let you guys know, new tat right here, 1 down, 5 up on the heartbeat. Let me know what you think. I'll see you guys next time. Later.